#1 trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. So last night was Halloween, and it seems like there was a few Halloween parties going on. You know what I mean? I see a couple people dress up. Was a Spice dress up, and she and her friend them, our love and hip hop friend them, go a Halloween party. It looked like a Tiana Taylor party from what I see on our Instagram story. We also see Skatta go on party. Yes, so we have these videos for sure, no? And we see Shenseea of a whole show dedicated to her. It was Nightmare and Shenyang Street. Some of the videos them for sure, no. So see Steph London dress up with say Bad Girl Cecile and a couple more people. On the international side, I know almost everybody. Tory Lanez, Cardi B, all of these people, you know what I mean, in a them costume. But people what I want for asking, because I know say Halloween enough for everybody, and especially Caribbean people will probably never follow up that too much, right? When you put in the comment section and tell me do if you don't ever dress up for Halloween. Me personally never, you know what I mean? And if you do dress up, where you dress up as, and if you never dress up what you would have dress up, what costume you would have wear, you see me? So I just go and think about it and put in the comment section. Alright, so first we are going to take a look at Spice and our friend Carly Red. Carly Red aka Wonder Woman. So let's see this video.
Watch my friend. Watch Wonder Woman. Yeah. Watch Pretty. Yeah. Look over yourself. Watch Sexy Body.
Yo, Tiana Taylor, you drunk. Good party. We had a motherfucking good time, bitch.
Talk out to your clean mouth, Carly. With your good hole and your good stomach or whatever long clock they do. Yeah, my friend. You come out strong. Yeah. Yeah, Carly. Yeah. Public announcement. Carly, what you say?
Alright, it's a big announcement. Basic bitches, we are leaving the party.
Go on, you make Spice a boost you up like Super Jet. You see me? What big up Spice do, you see what I say? But just love the vibes, man. Yeah, man, and big up our friend them too, you see me? So it looked like Spice really had a good time last night, and it looked like our friends them had a good time as well. You know, me see the clips them on our Instagram story, and you know, it just looked like fun to me, you know? So big them up on that. Now people, the next thing I want to talk about, our next video I want to show now is Skatta. So I'm going to show you Skatta costume, right? But I know saying that everybody are going to agree with Skatta because you don't know how Skatta things set, right? And if you don't know what about to find out, right? So Skatta dress up as a priest, may I go say, or pastor, you know what I mean? All of them kind of under the umbrella. Priest, pastor, I'm not sure which one for really use, but him caption will tell you where he might try to get across. So here goes. Take a look at the video and then me tell you know what him say on the caption.
Fucking blasphemy to Ross.
Yeah, people, so you see what I go on. So you see how Skatta enter the party. I don't know where the camera person says still. When you play about the video, I hear what them say for themselves. You see me, I'm going to tell you now if you don't miss that. Alright? But what I'm saying, I caption him say, #Sunday service. Touch not the Lord's anointed. You all know I could never turn down the opportunity to show up as a scammer. Right? So you definitely understand now where Skatta try to say, and you understand him costume choice better now, right? And just in case you don't understand, for the people who want to know Skatta, you don't know if you don't go on Skatta Live, Skatta is a person now where him not really believe in a Christianity or any religion, it seems. I don't really want to talk for him. He would have to tell you 100% what his views are, but from what I understand, I know him definitely not into Christianity, and he would challenge anybody who say them a Christian, you know what I mean? Like how today a Sunday, he might have go live, so if we don't want to find out what Skatta believes are, or we don't want to go challenge him, head over him Instagram and go see what I go on, alright? So next story, let's talk about Shenseea. So Shenseea also dress up. Let's take a look at Shenseea's costume. Yeah, people, so when you say Shenseea Chucky, when you say our DJ Black Boy, him just up as Venom, and then Slider the producer, him just up as Pennywise, I think the clown from It, right? So when you see what I go on. So now more showing some photograph of some kids dressed up like Shenseea and Tarrus Riley. So this one is from the Lighter music video. When you see the music video, or at least when you see some photograph from the music video, you know how Shenseea and Tarrus Riley did dress, right? And then this next one now, this is just Shenseea. So let me know what you think. Get in the comment section. I tell you what you think about these costumes. Shenseea performed in New Jersey last night. It was a headphone party, but the Shenyang them represent them out there and them a sing. You see me? It might look a little weird, but we have to understand say the music a come through the headphone, right? So I'm going to show in that party there. I'm going to show you how the new normal is, right? So here goes. Take a look at these videos. Yes, so when you see what I go on, when you see the artists, them just up for Halloween, when you see them have fun, you know what I mean, when you see Skatta go on do theme things, said we, so we don't know what time it is, right? But like I said, Halloween enough for everybody. So I'm going to ask the same question I'm asking at the front of the video, right? Have you ever dressed up for Halloween? And if you dress up, where you dress up as? You know what I mean? Did you dress up this past Halloween? Or, you know, you never dress up, but, you know, mind, you would dress up. What would you dress as? You see me, I say. So if you want to participate, just go ahead and leave that in the comment section. Now that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting. You know what I mean? Enough respect, much love. You see me? Big up on yourself and that. So everybody, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are, and just stay safe out there. All right.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.